although wala pa iba, no? But anyway, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for attending our first health board meeting for the year 2026 and hopefully now Manila Health Department Director, do we have a quorum?
Yes, Mr. Mayor, we do have.
Okay, we have a quorum. Now we discuss all matters. This address by the city government, the support of our services to the people of Manila's healthcare. Item. Okay. Si Paul Vega.
Bakit na po?
Bakit na? So you present first? Are you gonna present first?
Kasama po yun sa ating agenda, Mayor. So we can discuss muna po yung approval of the previous meeting na pinag-usapan. First, agenda is yung radiological x-ray updates lang po ng President Corazon Aquino General Hospital. Naka-canvas na po ng 300 mA
Good.
na x-ray and submit na po sa...
This is for Paseco Hospital at the same time.